Students, we're going to do a tour of the BMS Engineering and Technology webpage. The two main things that you're going to need to know how to do are get to the home page. And how do you do that? Well, that's a great question, Mr. Better. You need to go to bmstech.edu.weebly.com. Here's the URL to get there. It's important. It's also on the main Beaufort Middle School webpage. But it's pretty simple. All you got to really remember is BMS Tech EDU and throw a .weebly.com on there and you're good to go. Okay. Now, the other thing you need to know, expectations in classroom. Take a look at this sometime. Okay, these are the classroom expectations and procedures. It's on the home page. Okay, I expect you guys to keep it real. When I say that, I want you to be responsible, use classroom materials appropriately, be excellent in every way, exceed expectations, have the right attitude when you come to class, have the right attitude towards other people. If you can do all that, you're going to be successful learners. I want you to succeed in this class, and if you can follow those classroom expectations and procedures, you will. You'll notice that homework is not a big emphasis in this class. That's by design. You guys have enough homework as it is. I will try to keep that as minimal as I can. Over here, this is important. Submit work. You're going to need to know how to get here. Okay. A lot of things we're going to use, you're going to use Google Classroom. For a good bit of whatever you turn into me, we're going to use Google Classroom. Now, I'll give you an example. When you click this link, it's going to take you to a Google Classroom. You will need a class code to get into it. We'll discuss that a little bit more as we get into class after you watch this tutorial. I'll give you that class code, and then you'll get in. When you get into your classroom, this, for instance, is the video production class. Okay, you might see an assignment in your stream. There's 3 tabs here. You got your stream, students about. Now, I'm not sure, since I'm in teacher view, you might not see students, but I know you're going to see the stream. And in the stream, you're going to get your assignments and your announcements. So here I've got an announcement right here. It says getting to know you. It says post your 3 favorite things in the world on the Padlet wall. Guys, there's a link here. It opens up and it gets you to a little page here where you can write something. Okay, so that would be like an assignment example. Okay, you might have to do something like that. The About tab over here is going to take you to some different things for class. Like this is where I would put the syllabus. You have a link to our engineering and technology page and a link to drop it to me. Now, sometimes we will not use Google Classroom to submit project files to me. Okay, so for instance, I might ask the video production kids to send me a large video file. Well, Google's not always going to be the best vehicle to send stuff to me. Well, in those instances, you'll use Drop It To Me. Now, you'll notice I have some different sections here for Drop It To Me. Okay, if you come see me at 9:20 in the morning, you would click on this one. Okay, and here it's going to take you to a place to upload some files. Well, it's password protected, and it's going to say you got to enter the upload password. Well, that's pretty simple. It's Wolves. We're Beaufort Wolves. You put your password in, it clears it, and then you can select a file to upload. Well, I'm going to submit the Beaufort logo, okay, and it's going to sync it up. You see the check right there, and it is good to go. It has sent the file to me. So keep that in mind. You're going to need to know where those links are. That's under the Submit Work tab. Gets you to Google Classroom. Whenever you need to send something to me, not through Google Classroom, you'll be using Drop It To Me, okay? These are linked directly to my Google Drive, okay? That's your tour of the BMS Engineering and Technology page and how to use Google Classroom and Drop It To Me. Thanks for listening.